So before we get started, I wanted to review master pages. This is going to be a huge time saver when you have multiple pages where you want to have the same design on each page. So if I didn't have master pages, this is exactly what I would do. I'd go ahead and set up my document here and I will draw a design element. Let's say I wanted a bar. And I'm going to go ahead and draw just your basic box at the bottom. And let's say this is part of my branding that I've developed, that I want to have kind of our branded color right here at the bottom. And I want that on every single page. So if you didn't use master pages, you would just copy and paste, and you would just continue to do that all the way throughout the document. But what if you had 50 pages? You had a 50-page flip book and it would just take you forever to do the same design element on all these pages. Well, there's something called master pages. Let me go ahead and delete all of these and I'll show you exactly how master pages can apply the same object to everything in your document. So to access master page, you're going to go up here to the top in your pages panel. If you do not see that, just go to Window and click on Pages, and you'll be able to bring it up. So here's your master page right here. So I'm going to go ahead and double click this, and it's going to take me to the master page. So I can do any kind of design. Actually, I'm going to click on, let's see, yes. So I'm going to go ahead and get a nice box here. Let's go ahead and pick out a really nice color for our flip book. Let me pick out like a nice Tiffany blue, not quite because that is copyrighted, but something close. I love a blue-green. So let's go ahead and draw our box, our kind of design element. And I think I like that. And let's say we want it on the other side as well. So I can put the website down there in white. I'm not sure what I'm going to do exactly. I can do something a little different. I'm taking the pen tool and I'm just going to draw like maybe a triangle up at the corner. That could be a design element instead of the boxes. So I'm not sure. So I'm just going to do the basic boxes because I know I'd like to have my website down there on every page. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's put our website. I'm just getting the text box tool, and I'm going to type in www. Actually, we don't need www anymore. That's old school. So let's just go lindsaymarshdesign.com. Just kind of something I made up that doesn't really exist. Let's go ahead and do a quick railway font, which is pretty versatile. Let's do light, all caps, and let's expand it out a little bit. Just doing this as a quick example to show you how to do master pages. So let's not mess with it too much. Okay, so we want that on every page. Let's go ahead and do two quick things. Let me make it a tiny bit smaller. Add a little bit more spacing, make it a little more elegant, and let's make it white. Make it a little smaller and then white, and I'm just being picky here. Go to our color panel, and oops, gotta double click it, make it white, and let's make sure it's centered. Okay, that's good for now. It's not perfect, but that's fine. Okay, so I want to apply, let's go ahead and copy and paste it and make the spread the same. I'm going to make sure these are aligned. Going up here, going to align it. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save, this has already been set. So I'm going to go ahead and click back on my page 1 and look. My entire document has the same bar of text with the website. So I can easily change every single page just like that and have a design element that I want repeated. So pretty cool, awesome time saver. So next, we're going to go ahead and continue with our first page design.